Katrina Halili's admission on her past relationship with celebrity doctor Hayden Cole.
And later find out if the year of the ox spells luck for you.
Days after Hayden Cole confirmed his short-lived relationship with Katrina Halili, the young actress today affirmed the doctor's admission. Katrina said she was serious in her relationship with Hayden, contrary to his claims that they were not emotionally attached at the time. Though Katrina says she's no longer affected, she had long regretted the affair nonetheless. Katrina is asking the public not to judge and blame her for Hayden's breakup with Dr. Vicky Bello. Katrina will fly to America tomorrow together with her rumored boyfriend Chris Lawrence.
2009 is the year of the ox according to the Chinese zodiac, and if you follow the feng shui tradition, then there are certain businesses you can hitch your cart onto for a more auspicious fortune in 2009. Find out from this report.
Feng Shui experts believe money may not come in easily in 2009. Financial analysts have already said that the global financial crisis is expected to get worse next year. This Feng Shui expert says earth and fire are the dominant elements in 2009, the year of the ox. Both elements go against water, which symbolizes money.
The water in Feng Shui is meaning money. Kaya ngayon, ang konting lang tubig lang. Ang ox yan, ang may lupa. Okay na, ibig sabihin, ang may lodi ka na. Pero kailangan tatalim, kailangan tatayo, kailangan ayos, kailangan masipag.
The ox, which symbolizes hard work in the coming new year, may be grabbing the spotlight. But this does not mean those born in the year of the ox are as lucky, as there's a 50-50 chance for both good and bad luck. Those born in the years of the monkey, horse, and rat could get lucky in the new year, while those born in the year of the sheep may not be as lucky. Yellow, red, and green happen to be the lucky colors in 2009. The coming year is also lucky for the water and food businesses. Though the Catholic Church respects Feng Shui experts, it reminds the faithful not to just rely on luck as the basis for living their lives.
If you believe in Jesus Christ, who conquered everything in this world, then you have to believe in Jesus Christ 100%. No? Kaya hindi tayo naniniwala sa ibang mga katuruan. No? Maliwanag yan sa Hebreo 13. No? Do not believe in strange teachings.
Father Anton adds that there are no lucky and unlucky years, saying that whatever happens to us is just a matter of faith and hard work.
Hindi tayo year of the pig or year of the ox or year of the whoever, no? Tayo palagi, every year is year of the Lord. Kaya 2009 is the year of the Lord para sa atin.
It's 3 days to the new year. And those are the stories for today, December 29, 2008.